Yo, what's up people? Welcome to another vlog. I'm so excited. As you can see by the title of this video, my Jeep is gonna be finally, boom, raised up. So I'm excited for this. So we're hanging out at Moby Wash. You gotta take your car cleaned to wherever you're gonna take it. You know what I mean? Make sure to check out Moby Wash. They're the best. I always wash my cars here. Bro, is today the day? Today's the day. What a setup, man. Is this what's going in today?
Yeah.
Oh my word, I'm so excited. Oh, come on. Quiet down. So as I told you guys, my Jeep is officially...
Retake that.
So, like I said, we're gonna raise the car now, and I'm all the way at Iconic Customs. Look at this firstly. Let me just show you the amazing cars that he has. He has this awesome Polo that he just bought, and then the demon, of course, is that amazing Jeep right now. So we're gonna make that, or make that, similar to that. Are you as excited as I am?
I think I'm more excited than you.
Is it? I've never ever seen a suspension in the flesh, if I'm honest. Presents.
It's gonna be insane. Brand new out the box.
Oh my word. Gee whiz, this thing is so heavy, man.
Solid, eh?
It's so solid. What is this, like a bracket, a relocation?
Yeah, it's like a relocation bracket.
I guessed that, I'm not gonna lie.
Well
I totally
done.
guessed that. Thank you.
Got it.
Sway bars?
Bag of bolts.
Bag of bolts. What is this,
Bag of
bro?
bolts. It's just a pump stop.
Oh yes, of course.
Yeah. Brake line extensions.
Brake line extensions.
All the fun little goodies. If
Yeah.
I'm not mistaken,
Yeah.
quick disconnects. Yeah. Just check it out.
Which I wonder if I'll ever use. The type of driver that I am, I feel like.
I don't know. We should let the audience decide if you should go off-roading or not.
I know.
Say yes. Monster coils.
Whoa!
Whoa. That's
Dude.
huge.
That's incredible, eh?
Okay, other way. There you go.
Is this also quite heavy?
Flip it every.
Whoa! It's actually pretty heavy, eh? No wonder you have to have
Should
like
have
a...
said welcome to the unboxing, by the way.
Oh, you want to say it?
Welcome to the unboxing. Stuffed it up.
Dude, this is so exciting, and this is all going to go into this car. Boom. I wish I can just do this.
There's still another
Boom. Oh, really?
Still another box, yeah.
Next box. Chuck that one away. Oh, this is the special goodies, dude.
Got
The other
shocks.
special goodies.
This is proper imported from the States. Oh. Terraflex 9550s.
That's the one, man. I think it's just going to look so much better.
It's going to look very similar to the one outside.
This is the spaces.
Your end of your tire is going to be here
No, you're kidding me.
because you're moving the rim out by that much.
I mean, imagine more spaces, dude. It's gonna look incredible, man.
Black on black.
I'm gonna do a little cinematic feature right now, just to show you what it looks like. Hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, goodbye, Jeep. I'm gonna see you when you're a lot taller, put it that way. I'll see you when you're taller. Next time we see this beast, it's gonna be looking like that beast. But I'm excited. Probably gonna take like maybe a few days. I told him to take his time on it so he doesn't rush. And yeah, I'm just so excited. I can't believe what's actually happening. So we'll see this in the next few days. And basically you guys are gonna be waiting as long as I did. So hope it's all worth it.
How's it, guys? So we got Matthew's Jeep all stripped in the front here, all the original suspensions out. I'll give you a comparison between the old and the new. Okay, so there we have the old stuff that came out. You got the original springs, original shocks, sway bar links, all of that stuff, bump stops, and then you got your new Terraflex kit with all the correct mounting brackets and brake line extensions and all of that. So yeah, I'll give you a next video when everything is installed and ready to go, and then it's on to the back. Just an update on Matthew's Jeep. We have all the new suspension fitted in here. Obviously final touches need to go down, final torquing and final connections.
What's up, buddy?
What's up? What's up? What's up?
I'm supposed to be the videographer.
How you doing?
Good, bro.
Good. You ready?
Bro, I don't know if I'm ready.
No. You stand there. Okay.
This is gonna be the reveal. First time I've seen the Jeep.
Your jacked up Jeep.
The jacked up Jeep.
Yes! You reckon this thing was about to fall apart, Tristan?
Bro, you gotta be kidding me.
Big difference, man.
Oh my word, dude, this is insanely big difference, man. Bro,
Yes, is it high? Is this 3-inch now?
4-inch, yeah.
4-inch?
listen, you're gonna have to explain to us what you've done.
Okay, so basically we did a 4-inch TerraFlex kit, lift kit in this Jeep with wheel spacers. Remember, your wheel spacers are on.
Oh, I didn't
your
actually
wheel
have a look at it.
spacers. So we got wheel spacers on, TerraFlex kit, it's quite a bit higher. Gone and put a Power Plus throttle controller inside and exhaust. We changed exhaust.
Oh, we saw. Okay, wait, but we're gonna listen to that soon. We're gonna do a startup soon.
So on your original pipe,
Yeah.
you've got just a flange that you can bolt on, so you can take it on and off whenever you would like.
Oh, so I just put the bolts on and then it's
Sort it back on. So if you want it quieter, louder. yeah.
sick. What did you do to the exhaust pipe?
You basically have a straight pipe without cats. With cats, sorry.
With cats.
Cats, yeah.
This. Okay, let's just take a moment here.
Ready?
I don't know. Oh my word, man, that's...
So there's a Power Plus. So basically that's a throttle controller. You've got different modes on your Power Plus that change your driving style. So for example, you've got economic modes, you've got normal factory setting, you've got the comfort mode, sports mode, sports plus mode, and then you've got an auto mode that combines all your modes into one. Completely changes the way your car reacts according to your driving style.
Okay guys, listen. I still can't believe how tall this car is right now, but now it's like a different car. It's not even the same car.